Hello guys, welcome back to the latest video from Jacob's Rail Productions, back once again at Carnforth Station. Home of Brief Encounter. If you've watched the film, highly recommend it, it's so good. Fun fact, I've watched Brief Encounter about twice, not as much as other people, but highly recommend it. By the way, if you know Carnforth and Brief Encounter, fun fact for you all, if you've not noticed, Brief Encounter was filmed at this station. And if you've looked to the sign here, I'll zoom in. There you go. Home of Brief Encounter. Decent film, I'd say. I've only watched it twice, but yeah. So at Carnforth, this is one of the stations that is amazing. I highly recommend coming here, because not only have you got your fast line here, you've also got platform 1 and 2 that I've just come on. From Manchester Airport to Barrow-in-Furness, and yeah, decent. Carnforth is located on the Westcoast mainline, and behind these walls here is Carnforth Steamtown. However, arriving into platform 1, Carnforth, I've seen a steam loco. However, I'm not too sure if it's Britannia or not, because I noticed on Tuesday or Wednesday that, or even Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, Britannia got stuck on the West Coast Main Line. It failed, and then another locomotive tried to rescue it, which is a 37. That got stuck because it failed as well. So, but yeah, Carnforth Steamtown is a very, very nice station to film at. I've filmed there many times, and yeah, it's decent. I mean, come on. I know that the views aren't spectacular via the West Coast Main Line, which is here, but apart from the views here, I mean, if you look at, you'll get decent pictures or videos. But on platform 1 and 2, it's amazing, because you'll get local services from Carnforth Steamtown or Drigg or other sort of freight coming behind it, and then reversing out of there into the sidings over here, and then back up here. So yeah, amazing station. Today is going to be really busy for me for filming, because I've got quite a lot to be filming here at Carnforth. There's a lot of freight due, so hopefully we can get everything in place and filmed. So yeah, it's gonna be epic. This, the amount of times I filmed here, there's not a lot of freight, but today's just special. Today's a day where I'll be filming freight for you guys, so stick around and enjoy the video at Carnforth. So passing us now is Transpennine Express, 800, I think. Is that an 800, Ben?
802 it is, that.
Oh, it's a boring train, the 800s. Whether it's 800, here he is. The moment we've been waiting for. The Lumo.
Which one is going to turn up?
222-005. That was the Lumo. And by the way, guys, remember when I mentioned I watched that film about the Carnforth Station? The only reason I watched the film was because the Carnforth Station is inside it. So yeah, I watched it all the way through twice, but I only watch it because Carnforth Station is in the film. So yeah. And by the way, guys, we've got a mint locomotive movement here. It's a class 37, and oh yes, here it is. Give it the old beams. Ooh, what a movement. Here we go. Our final movement of today is 68001. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, mate, the sound. The rolling thunder, as I call them. Evelution. Nice way from the driver, thank you very much. Coming out any minute now will be the return of 68001 Revolution. Or if you're from a different country, Revolution. Come on, you.
68001 heading to what would be the front of that freight, which was the back 5 minutes ago. Yeah, it's a run around move. I wish the run around move.
From Drigg BNf to Shap. If you don't know, yeah, same. If you don't know what BNF stands for, it's either bionuclear fuel or British nuclear fuel. So yeah, and we have now. Here we go. I think we have coming in.
That's a stop off Barrow and Furnace.
Is a Manchester Airport to Barrow and Furnace, and I think this could be a packed train. Yeah, joking it. And do you know what? To ramble on, because I like to ramble on. If you've noticed when you come up to Carnforth from Bolton or Manchester Airport, have you noticed, guys, if you're travelling on a northern service, they produce one of the worst services known to pigeons, cats, dogs, men, women and kids. They put a 3-car service on a packed train from Manchester Airport to Barrow and Furnace. So yeah, incoming now is 195 123 off to Barrow. With a brilliant one-tone, absolutely unreal, unbelievable, absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. One, 2, 3, 2 or 1, 2, 3 off to Glasgow from London Euston, and now we have 68001 Revolution.
This is
oh yes, we have liftoff from 68001. Oh mate, that smells unbelievable. If you notice, right guys, if you notice when you stand right next to a 68 or a 70 and they give it the almighty beans, they do sound amazing. They also smell lovely, and they also look stunning. Apart from Northern, who, let's face it, let's be realistic, right? When it comes to Northern, every dog, cats, monkeys, pigeons, tigers, lions, elephants are absolutely shocking when it comes to services. I couldn't give a rat's Scooby-Doo. I couldn't give a rat's Scooby-Doo of what Northern thinks of my videos. I couldn't give a rat, monkey, elephants, cats, dogs, pigeons, lions, tigers, cheetahs, of elephants as well, what other animals, arses, what Northern think of my videos when I rant about it. Yeah, let's face it, they're the worst company in the northwest of England. Coming out now from the sidings is 68001 Revolution. They sound amazing, all the 68s. So, this actual service was from Sellafield to Drigg, and now it's going up from Drigg to Shap. No one cares about buses. Oh yes. So that will be our final train movement of the day here at Carnforth Station. If you've liked the videos here from Carnforth on my channel, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new around here, and we'll see you on the next one. So from Carnforth, so ta-ta from me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.